Toyota Supra.
Toyota Supra.
Toyota Supra. What is up, guys? So before this video begins, I want you guys to do me one favor. One favor, this is all I'm asking for. Leave a like right now if you guys enjoy this video, enjoy my videos. I don't know, just that little bit of support makes me just push forward and keep on wanting to make videos for you guys, because it shows that you guys are interacting. It shows that, like, I don't know, it's not really the numbers, it's more so just showing that you guys are like actually watching the vids, and like I don't know, it helps out a lot. So leave a like. Also, if you guys want to cop some merch, I'll post the link in the description. Recently dropped a Teespring, so if you guys can order some shirts and rep the A&A squad, so, or Ant squad, because you know what I'm saying. But let's get to the stuff. So recently Toyota, I mean, there's videos everywhere, I'm not even gonna lie, there's videos everywhere unveiling. I remember when they were doing all the prototypes and stuff, but now this is the real deal. Like, this is actually gonna be happening. So the 2020 Supra, looks wise, me personally, I feel like Toyota could have kept the Mark IV interpreted in even though this is a Mark V and it's 2020. I mean, you can't hate on the look. It's really sleek, but in my opinion, I feel like it's I know it was like technically it's pretty much a BMW, but they could have kept like the Mark IV somehow into it. Like, you see the R34 and R35 GTR, you can see where the R34 was interpreted in the R35. This is different with the Supra. I don't know, it doesn't really necessarily look the same, but it still looks good. In my opinion though, it looks really similar to a Q60, like combined with a Z4. But I mean, I can't hate, because I mean, the car looks good. And everybody's hating on it, the looks and everything, but it's like, I guarantee you, when you pull up to a car meet and you see a Mark V Supra, you're gonna whip out your phone and take a picture of it. I mean, it's just a given. It's a Supra. You feel me? I mean, I don't know why everybody's hating. The car looks awesome. Performance-wise, I feel like it could have had a little bit more oomph to it, but at the same time, like, once people start messing with them and tuning them, I feel like it's gonna shoot up. I don't think it's gonna be anywhere close to the 2J at all, in my opinion, but I feel like it's definitely, there's still stuff that you can unlock. It's a brand new car. Like, once people start figuring out the car more, it's gonna become like a beast, and I mean, it looks good. But the car came out with 335 horsepower, 365 foot-pounds of torque. Now, those numbers seem low, like, to be honest. Like, I mean, a lot of cars nowadays come stock with that, but the car only weighs 3,300 pounds. So I mean, if you see where I'm coming from, like, the power to weight, pretty subtle. But it comes with a turbo inline 6, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission. One thing that really stumped me is, I mean, I don't know 100% yet, but I haven't seen anything being posted about being a manual option, because like, when you think of a Supra, you think of a driver's car. So if they don't make a manual option, I think they done f***ed up. The price tag on there, it's not terrible. Well, I mean, back in the day, the Supra was like, I think $48,000 or something. So this being $50,000, it's not too far off, you know? I mean, it's Toyota's sports car. It's like Toyota's GTR. So I mean, it's not terribly priced, but at the same time, like, I don't know, what you get with it is pretty dope. Like, I don't know, a whole bunch of other things that I like I feel like is really nice about the Supra. The interior is kind of bland. I'm not even gonna lie. The interior is really bland. The seats are nice, but like everything else, like, it looks like a 328i or something, like BMW. But I mean, I'm not sure if it's final, if everything's final with that, but I mean, the interior, they definitely could have like made it more of like a cockpit type feel. It more feels like, I don't know, like you could just take it out your grandma to the grocery store type feel. That's my opinion. It's kind of bland, it's kind of boring, but I mean, hey, Toyota, you did what you did. The car seems like it, like I said, with the potential with the powertrain. The 0 to 60 is rated at 4.1 seconds, which is not bad. It's really not. Like, for a car that only makes 335 horsepower, 0 to 60 4.1, that's not bad at all. So I mean, I don't know, like I said, like, I feel like this car is gonna have like a lot of potential, and I don't know why everybody's hating on it. I think it's just because it's a new thing. Like, I remember when the S550 Mustangs came out and everybody's hating them, but now like it's one of the best platforms to build on, because I mean, you can go 9s all day on a stock motor. So I mean, we just have to like really explore the option of like, this car potentially has a lot of potential. See what I did there? Potential. I don't know. In my opinion, this car is gonna be an awesome thing to see on the road. Like, I don't know, like, everybody gets hype about GTRs and Lambos, but like, when you see this, it's gonna like throw you back to like, it's like the new day and age. Like, when the Supra, the Mark IV Supra came out, I mean, I wasn't even born yet, so I don't know, but like, I feel like seeing like something like that on the road is gonna like, it's like a new era. I mean, it is. It's 2020, guys. Like, I don't know like why everybody's hating on it. Like, that's pretty much my opinion on the car. Like, I don't know. It looks good, you feel me? It seems like it has a lot of potential. It seems like it's gonna be like a collector's car. I just hope not everybody gets them and then you see them everywhere, and then it's just gonna be like another like, damn, like, why ain't this car on the road? Give Toyota some slack, guys. Like, give them some slack, because yeah, it's not what everybody expected it to be, because like the Mark IV Supra is like an iconic car, like I don't know, but I feel like this could be the next icon. I don't know, like times are changing and this could be the next big thing. That's my opinion on the car. I hope everybody enjoyed this video, quick little video, and yeah.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I've been the coast's greatest blessing.